Hey guys, welcome to Computer Buddy. I'm Akhilesh. In this video, I will be unboxing Realme 8i. So let's start the unboxing. I have ordered the phone through Flipkart. I got it for 12,500 rupees by using Axis Bank debit card. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. This is a 4GB 64GB variant. The processor is Helio G96 and has a 120Hz ultra smooth display and 5000 mAh battery, 50 MP AI triple camera setup, 18-watt charger, and also a side mount fingerprint. So here we have the phone. Let's have a look at the phone. The phone looks really cool. The back looks as a glass body, but it's a plastic body. And here we have the charger. It's a Type-C cable. Let me just boot up the phone. So thanks for watching the video. Please do support by subscribing my channel. Thank you.